Enjoy this compilation of this series about 8 acrylic painting projects on fabric for cloth books. The kids are back to school and you go back to painting. Happy mail, happy mail, happy, happy mail. It is 105 outside, it's burning, but I don't care because I have happy mail. This one I believe is Gina's book. Gina in England. The theme is flowers. All right. Anything floral. And then I have to pick a page, any color available. For floral, my favorite flowers to paint are calla lilies. I selected the aqua or lighter blue for my page. And then I started to play with some sketches. I hope the pencil shows well. So I was thinking of a calla lily and a sunflower. So I had several calla lilies and a side sunflower and then just one of each, and a ribbon or something. I was just playing with ideas, but I still didn't exactly finish liking either. So I turned the paper and started to work on only one calla lily and 2 leaves. So this is what I'm going to be working on. This is what I like best. Although I wanted to include a sunflower because I love the yellow, I still didn't feel that I could make a good combination. I'm going to be painting or sketching actually this on my page, and then I will be adding the paint, white, green, maybe a little bit of lavender. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with the background, but it has gesso, so I will cover it with something. So here we go. If you watch some of my past videos, you know that I broke my wrist and I have been getting better, but it's been months. So I haven't been painting as much as I would love to. I decided to re-edit this acrylic painting on fabric because they are beautiful and super fun projects to paint. So if you're thinking of starting a cloth book or painting on fabric, these are really easy. And I put them in a new series. It's going to be a playlist, so you don't miss any of them. At the end of this video, you can watch the next one, and you let me know in the comments if you like more painting on fabric, or if you prefer canvas or paper. I personally love painting on everything, but I would like to know what you think and what do you prefer, and maybe I can be making more videos on that. So hopefully I will have more projects made this year after my hand heals. And I love that you're here visiting. I'm sending you a hug and a kiss. Mwah! the way they are doing things here in YouTube now, it is very important that you leave me a comment if you like this video, and also click like, so the system or the website will know that you're interacting because you're liking it, and it will allow this channel to get to more people. It's the way that it helps the most. So if you like these videos, sincerely, I love that you leave me a comment and click like. And also, if you know another artsy friend that loves painting, I would love it if you share this video with them. I hope you give us thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just click down there, select the bell. I hope it shows my pencil lines for the little pattern. Now, to make this work, I will pin the pattern, and the good side I will pin it, and then I am going to leave a margin over here for the stitching part. So all of this part will be hidden under my stitches, and as I go on that one, I will have this in here. All right, well, actually, once I cut this. So I'm thinking I am going to make this in Sharpie or something more noticeable, and I will send it to my blog, which I'm going to include the address over here. But like always, go and check the information box below, and I have links of the things I use. So I'm going to cut this now, and decide also on the size of this other over here, which is just a little rectangle, and a little bigger also to enfold it, so it's extra thick, more layers of it. I will just make the pattern right here under this. Okay, I have the fabric here, I have my pins, and there's just a simple pinning behind your pattern and the fabric. Make sure that it's straightened up back here. Okay, so now I'm going to cut outside. Actually, I need to move this a little bit You don't want it too close to your pins. And maybe one other pin in the middle of this so the fabric doesn't move on us. So I cut this. I already have my other fabric for this. I'm going to be stitching with my black thread. And although I made this rectangular little shape for the chest part over here, you can make it any size you want if you want to follow this pattern, because at the end of the day it's just folded and placed on top, right? Okay, I will be back with this cut up. So the other part is adding this, and to do that I want to cover this over here. I'm also going to use this fray check fluid over here, so my fabric is not going to start losing the little threads in the edge, and I will trim as necessary this part over here. I'll say 3 flowers or 4. And we have this one first, this one coming up over here. Maybe I want the pattern to show like this. We can pin this here. I also forgot to mention that this is a little bigger because I want to fold it, but if you don't find the fluid to stop the frying, you just make a little fold and stitch it along. So either way works fine. Hold on, I want this to show half a flower, and this over here with the flower on top like this. Before I start stitching anything, I need to finish painting the background and the hair, but I just couldn't stop myself from getting to this point. It's going to look really cute. See? This is the general idea anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go back to finish this part so I can add the actual kimono. I'm going to be making some little details in the face, so I will get the camera a little closer. Okay, I hope this is good enough. Okay, I messed up in the eyebrow, so I'm going to come back with a lot of water and lift the paint. And see, nothing happened. I'm going to wait for this area to dry a little bit, and I'm going to work on this other one, and just don't flatten my brush too much. Alright, much better. Because in my dress I have pink, I'm going to mix a little bit of a glaze with the pink. I will also have a little bit of a sheen in her eyes with just plain white. Alright, so when this is dry, I'm going to be stitching this part now. That will be the next step. Alright, the little outfit is stitched, so I stitched it separately from the page, and this is pretty much how it is going to look. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything else around the corners. I like it as it is, so I'm just going to finish this. Thanks for watching, and if this is the first time that you're bumping into my channel, click to subscribe, click a thumbs up if you like this video,